a tube with both ends open to the atmosphere is partially filled with the water, and then oil which is immiscible with water is poured into one side until it stands at a distance of 10 mm above the water level on the other side. Here we have poured the oil from this side, and after some time when we keep on filling the oil, what happens that the oil and the water level both has a difference of this 10 mm. Okay. Meanwhile, the water rises by 65 mm. This was the initial level which was given to us, and then the water rised up to this level which is 65 mm above, okay, from the original level. See the diagram as shown in this diagram. Now we have to find what will be the density of the oil. If we see that these 2 points B and here the point C both are in the same liquid and at the same horizontal level, so the pressure at B and pressure at C will be same, and the pressure at this point which is A and this point which is E both are equal and is equal to the atmospheric pressure. So here the difference is we have total 65 plus 65 plus 10, that is 140 mm of oil. The pressure due to 140 mm of oil is equal to 65 plus 65, that is 130 mm of water. Or we can say this 140 multiplied by density of oil is equal to 130 into density of water. Now to find the density of oil, we can say this is 130 multiplied by density of water, that is equal to 1000 divided by 140. If we do the calculations, the answer will be around 928 kg per meter cube, which is our option number 4.